Hello YouTube, today I'm going to be seeing if I can burn this Sudoku Rubik's Cube with a powerful laser. So let's go. 3, 2, 1, go. Whoa, look at that. There's a fire. There's fire on the outside of it. It's burning alright. I think that's the hottest point. I can see little orange flames burning off. I don't know if you can see it. It's been under for a while. It's sort of burned a hole in the 1. Let's see if I can burn a hole in the 5. Oh, look at that fire. That is so bright. I should be wearing safety glasses, but I don't know what happened to my laser goggles. Oh, look at that burn. It just instantly ignites. I can see there's a fire. Right, and it goes out as soon as I take it away. This laser is strong, but it's not really strong enough to burn through the whole thing. It looks like I've started a fire on it. Is that? No, so the fire goes out as soon as I take the laser away. But when the laser is on, the fire is there. Look at it go. I'm wondering how bad I can cut it. Oh, look at that. Look at that massive hole. I think the laser wins on this one. There's a big massive hole in the 5. See if I can make it a bit bigger. Look at it go. Man, that's bright, and it smells horrible. I'm just going to slowly turn it and try and see if I can get a burn line along the outside of it. Whoa, look at it go. That is neat. Let's see what we've got. What's the damage? We've got a melted line. There's a big hole there and there's a melted line all the way along it. Anyway, I just thought I'd make a video on that. Bye.